Top 4 best breakfasts to repair muscles fast. If your muscles always feel sore, weak, or tired after workouts, the problem may not be your exercise routine. It may be your breakfast. Most people focus on protein shakes after the gym, but they completely ignore the first meal of the day. And that's a huge mistake, because after hours of sleep, your muscles wake up hungry. They need protein, energy, and nutrients to repair tiny muscle tears and grow back stronger. But many popular breakfasts do the opposite. Sugary cereals, fried foods, and processed snacks can increase inflammation, slow recovery, and leave your muscles feeling exhausted instead of repaired. That's exactly why this video is important. Today, I'll share the top 4 best breakfasts that help repair muscles fast, reduce soreness, and support strength naturally. These meals are simple, powerful, and backed by nutrients your muscles truly need. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last breakfast on this list is one most people underestimate, but it can seriously improve muscle recovery when eaten the right way. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Eggs with whole grain toast is one of the most effective breakfasts for repairing muscles, because it gives your body the exact combination of nutrients muscles need after physical activity. During exercise, your muscles develop tiny tears in the fibers. This is completely normal, but those fibers need enough protein and energy to rebuild stronger. Eggs are considered one of the highest quality protein foods because they contain all 9 essential amino acids that support muscle recovery and growth. One of the most important amino acids in eggs is leucine, which directly activates muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to repair damaged muscle tissue. That is why many athletes and fitness experts rely on eggs as a regular part of their recovery meals. Another reason eggs are powerful for muscle repair is their high nutrient density. They contain vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which help support energy production, reduce fatigue, and improve muscle function. The protein found in eggs is also highly digestible, meaning your body can absorb and use it efficiently without wasting nutrients. This makes eggs especially helpful after workouts when muscles need quick nourishment. Whole grain toast plays an equally important role because muscles do not recover well on protein alone. After exercise, the body needs carbohydrates to restore glycogen, which is the stored energy muscles burn during movement. Whole grains release energy slowly, helping maintain stable blood sugar levels and preventing energy crashes. Unlike sugary breakfast foods that provide a quick spike followed by fatigue, whole grain bread provides steady fuel that supports recovery for hours. This breakfast also helps keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Adding healthy toppings like spinach, tomatoes, or avocado can provide antioxidants and minerals that help reduce inflammation and support better muscle function. Cooking the eggs with minimal oil and avoiding processed sauces keeps the meal cleaner and healthier for long-term muscle support. Number 2. Greek yogurt with fruits and nuts is one of the best breakfasts for repairing muscles because it provides a strong mix of protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and important minerals that help the body recover after physical activity. When muscles go through stress from workouts, walking, lifting, or even daily movement, tiny muscle fibers become damaged and need nutrients to rebuild stronger. Greek yogurt is especially powerful because it contains a large amount of high-quality protein in a small serving. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove extra liquid, making it thicker and much richer in protein that supports muscle recovery and growth. One of the biggest reasons Greek yogurt works so well for muscles is because it contains both whey and casein protein. Whey protein digests quickly and helps muscles begin repairing immediately after eating, while casein digests more slowly and continues feeding muscles for several hours. This steady supply of amino acids helps reduce muscle breakdown and supports faster recovery over time. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, which is important for proper muscle contractions and overall muscle performance. Fruits add another major benefit to this breakfast. Blueberries and strawberries are rich in antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress caused by intense exercise. Exercise naturally creates inflammation inside the body, and antioxidants help reduce that stress so muscles can recover more efficiently. Bananas are another excellent option because they provide potassium, which helps prevent muscle cramps and supports healthy muscle function after sweating or physical activity. Nuts like almonds or walnuts add healthy fats, magnesium, and additional protein. Magnesium is especially important because it helps muscles relax properly and may reduce soreness and stiffness after exercise. Healthy fats also support recovery by helping lower inflammation throughout the body. Choosing plain Greek yogurt instead of flavored versions is usually healthier because many flavored yogurts contain high amounts of added sugar that may increase inflammation and reduce the benefits of the meal. A small drizzle of honey can add natural sweetness without overwhelming the body with processed sugar. Number 3. Oatmeal with milk and banana is one of the most balanced breakfasts for muscle recovery because it provides the perfect mix of carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, and minerals that help the body restore energy and repair muscle tissue naturally. After exercise or physical activity, muscles lose glycogen, which is the stored form of energy used during movement. Without enough glycogen, muscles can feel weak, tired, and sore. Oatmeal is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates that slowly refill those energy stores and provide steady fuel to the body throughout the morning. Unlike sugary cereals or processed breakfast foods that cause quick energy crashes, oatmeal releases energy gradually and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Another reason oatmeal supports muscle repair so well is because it contains important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and fiber. Magnesium plays a major role in muscle relaxation and recovery, helping reduce muscle cramps and stiffness after workouts. Iron helps carry oxygen through the bloodstream to muscle tissues, which is important because muscles need oxygen and nutrients to recover efficiently. The fiber in oatmeal also supports healthy digestion and helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Milk adds high-quality protein that muscles need for rebuilding damaged fibers after exercise. It naturally contains both whey and casein protein. Whey protein supports quick recovery immediately after eating, while casein digests slowly and continues feeding muscles over time. This combination gives muscles long-lasting support for repair and growth. Milk also provides calcium, which is important for healthy muscle contractions and overall muscle strength. Bananas complete this breakfast by adding potassium and natural carbohydrates. Potassium is one of the most important minerals for muscle health because it helps muscles contract properly and reduces the risk of cramping after sweating or physical activity. Bananas also help restore energy levels naturally without relying on processed sugar. Using plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats instead of flavored instant packets is usually the healthier option because many instant varieties contain excess sugar and artificial ingredients. Adding cinnamon, chia seeds, flax seeds, or a small spoon of peanut butter can make the meal even more supportive for muscle recovery and long-term strength. Number 4. A chicken sandwich on whole grain bread is one of the most powerful breakfasts for muscle repair because it provides lean protein, healthy carbohydrates, and important nutrients that help the body recover after physical activity. Many people think breakfast should only include traditional foods like cereal or toast, but muscles do not care what time of day they receive the nutrients they need. What matters most is giving the body enough high-quality protein and energy to repair damaged muscle fibers and restore strength. Chicken breast is one of the best sources of lean protein because it contains essential amino acids that directly support muscle rebuilding and recovery after workouts. One of the biggest reasons chicken works so well for muscle repair is because it is naturally rich in leucine, an amino acid that activates muscle protein synthesis. This is the process where the body repairs tiny muscle tears caused by exercise and helps muscles grow back stronger. Unlike processed breakfast meats such as bacon or sausage, chicken provides protein without large amounts of unhealthy fats, grease, or excess sodium that may increase inflammation and slow recovery. Whole grain bread adds another important benefit because muscles need carbohydrates along with protein to recover properly. During exercise, The body burns stored glycogen for energy, and whole grains help refill those energy stores slowly and steadily. This provides lasting fuel to the muscles and helps prevent fatigue later in the day. Whole grains also contain fiber and B vitamins that support energy production and digestion. Adding vegetables like spinach, lettuce, tomatoes, or cucumbers can make the sandwich even healthier by providing antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help reduce inflammation caused by intense workouts. These nutrients support blood flow and help deliver oxygen to muscle tissues more efficiently. The way the chicken is prepared also matters. Grilled or baked chicken is much healthier than fried chicken, because fried foods often contain unhealthy oils that may slow digestion and increase inflammation. Using healthier spreads like avocado or Greek yogurt instead of heavy mayonnaise keeps the meal lighter while still adding flavor. When prepared the right way, a chicken sandwich on whole grain bread becomes a filling and balanced breakfast that supports faster muscle recovery, steady energy, and long-term strength development.